Hi guys, I'm Simon Selberg, this is Christopher Ruud, Andreas Wickman, and we're Radicalized Garage. Today we're unboxing the new Rebel 205 IC AC/DC welding machine, and we have started a collaboration with aswell Europe, which actually are a Swedish company originated back in 1904 and has now become one of the biggest brands in the welding industry. So go ahead guys, start up the unboxing. Let's see how it goes. We are actually right in the middle of construction. We are switching shops from a really small one to a really big one. So there's a lot of things to still work out here, but we couldn't keep our hands away from this. So gonna see what we have here. Helmet.
Yes, speed glass.
Nice. Automatic MTL A50. Nice. You got welding jacket and welding
Babs.
pants. Nice. Any of you want to take those on right now?
Yes.
And we will
Oh, peel the plastic.
Oh, that's a nice move. I'll start with the big one. This is actually a MIG, and MAG welding machine. Really compact, durable, a welding machine that's a very, what do you call it, easy to have with you on construction works, in shops, and has all the features you need. You pull out this. Oh shit.
It's heavy.
3 guys with bad backs. Perfect.
This is glasses. More respect. From Esa.
Take one out. Let's see. It's like Christmas. Don't eat this.
Look like candy.
First thought is how can all those features fit in this one? That is pretty awesome. And we are going to go in depth with all the features in this in our next video. So this is only the unboxing because we actually don't have any material to weld right now. Pretty straightforward. Not bad, not many things to assemble. Just some hoses and cables. And then your ready to hook up the gas, and then you're ready to go. It smells fantastic.
Yeah.
This is actually the first time I have my hands on a new welder.
Got the welding hook on.
Well, that's it. This is the Rebel 205 IC AC/DC welding machine that we have unboxed here today. And check out our next video for some more features and tips and tricks on how to work with this.